Lesson 1. Computer Hardware. Hello, awesome students! This is going to be an interesting topic. Here are the objectives of this lesson. First objective. Identify types of computer hardware, how they process information, and how individual computer hardware interact with other computer devices. Second objective. Identify the function of computer hardware components. Before we discuss computer hardware, let's first define what is computer. A computer generally means a programmable machine. It is an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program. Computers consist of hardware and software. Hardware is the physical or tangible part of a computer, while software is the intangible part of a computer. Hardware is a part of computer that can be touched. It is actual machinery such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, system unit, and many more. It can be an output or input device.
Created using Powtoon.